Let's talk about Leifheit 81510 Pegasus 180 Drying Rack. Dryer can be folded up and stored to save space. Includes two holder clips to easily and quickly hang small items without using pegs, for example socks or underwear. Laundry pegs are always ready to hand thanks to the accompanying peg bag. 18 meters of drying line offers lots of space for drying laundry. 5-year guarantee. Love it. Works very well for us, a family of 4. We use it indoors and outdoors. It's big and stable. We bought it in Spain the same 2 years ago and still continues as the first day. Excellent quality, stability and very robust.